In this Godot 4.3 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the Godot XR Tools hand prefab to a kind of transparent ghost color that is transparent all the way through. This is not a tutorial on how to use the Godot XR hands. This is just showing you how to create the transparent material for one. It should end up looking something like this. You might be tempted to try to just create a new standard material, enable transparency, and just change the alpha channel. But that would kind of get you a result looking something similar to this, which typically isn't what you expect when you talk about transparent ghost hands in VR. So I'll show you the correct multipass settings taken from this user on Reddit and show you how to apply that to the materials to get the desired effect. So the effect is done with a multipass material. So just create a new material, standard material, then give it another material in the next pass window. I'll get to that in a second, but first for this main material, set the transparency to depth pre-pass, and then the depth draw to always. I leave it as unshaded, but you could leave it shaded. And then for this first pass, make sure that it has a very low level of alpha, like below 20. Then for the next pass, make sure it has a higher render priority. The actual numbers don't matter, but the next pass has to be higher than the first pass. Same transparency setting, but depth draw is never. I also left this one unshaded. And then for this one, you can pick an actual color and set the alpha channel a lot higher. This is basically the real color you want. I'll now copy these settings over to the other hand so you can walk through it step by step. So now you can see in both the editor, when I kind of scroll past it, it's completely transparent. And here's some in-game footage showing the hand is kind of what we expect, completely transparent. There's no opaque sides showing through. I hope this helped you make something cool in Godot. And if it did, give it a like and check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks.